Welcome to our tutorial on how to create and manage HIT supports in a New Visions portal. A support in the portal is an ongoing activity or service being provided that is aimed at improving student performance. Once you have identified the students you want to assign to a support, you can easily monitor progress for that group of students, creating and assigning students to a support. Using the left side navigation, click on Data Grid. If you have a list of student names or OSIS numbers, paste them into the search box in the upper right-hand corner. Only the students matching your search will appear. Click the Assign Support button located in the top toolbar. Check the box next to Student ID to select all students listed, and then choose Assign Support. In the Assign Support box, if a support hasn't been created yet, scroll down and select Create New Support. Enter a name for your support. All support names must begin with HIT. So for example, this will be HIT Grade 2, Mr. Brown, Group B. Feel free to add a brief description of the support. For example, this description will be Mr. Brown, Grade 2, ELA, Group B. Select the support tier. All supports must be Tier 1. Category will be academic. Subject will be ELA or math, depending on your support. Subcategory. In the subcategories drop-down, choose the provider for your school. All providers will start with ExpandEd provider name. If you do not see your provider's name or if your school staff are in charge of tutoring, select ExpandEd Other. And then choose Next to input the remaining details about the support. Lead. Select one or more support leads who can add students to the support and take attendance. So we'll select these administrators. Frequency. Choose how often per week students receive tutoring. If the session days vary, click Custom to choose any 3 days to represent a 3-day per week schedule. Then you'll see an additional field titled Repeat. In that field, select 1 week to indicate that the tutoring support meets weekly. And we'll select Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Start and end term. The support will go from term 1 until term 2. Start and end time, month. It will go from the beginning of the school year until the end of the school year, which is June 26th. Start and end time of day. Enter the start and end times for the support. If the times vary throughout the week, select a time range that reflects the typical duration of the session. For example, sessions lasting 30 minutes, select a 30-minute time frame that indicates that 7 a.m. to 7:30. Note, the purposes of these times is to track session lengths, not the total weekly duration or the whole school day. It is important that we have accurate sessions durations for monitoring. Location. Enter the location for the support. Select Create and then Assign, and the selected students will be assigned to that support. To add an individual student. Now, we will walk through assigning a support from the student profile. This is most useful when the support has already been created and you want to add an individual student to the support. However, you can also create a brand new support from the student profile. From the student profile that we can access by using the student profile option located on the left side navigation from the home page or by clicking a student name wherever a student is listed. So we'll exit the data grid and select student profile from the left side navigation. If we know exactly which support we want to assign to a student, we can copy and paste their student ID number in the upper right-hand corner. We can click supports located on the left side of the profile and select Assign Portal Support. If we are adding them to a previously created support, just select the name of the support from the drop-down. But if we are creating a brand new support, scroll all the way down and select Create New Support and enter the support details. How to take attendance for support sessions. To monitor attendance of students participating in your support, you can click Support using the left side navigation. Here, you'll see all of your in-progress, upcoming, and past supports. If you click on your support, you'll see the names of your students, their school year-to-date attendance, support attendance, how many sessions they have missed, and the start and end date for that support. On the right side, you'll see a snapshot of all the information you have filled out when you created that support. To take attendance, select the support for which you need to take attendance, and you will be directed to the student list for the selected support. At the bottom right-hand corner, select Take Attendance. The support logs, which display the scheduled dates for your support sessions, will appear. To take attendance for a specific date, click the 3 vertical dots next to that date. You will have the following options. Mark all students present. This will indicate that all students attended the session on that date. Session was not held. This option is used when the session was canceled for that date. For example, tutor was absent. Take attendance. This allows you to record attendance for each student individually. Click Take Attendance. Next to each student's name, there will be an attendance drop-down menu. Click the drop-down to select from the following options. Present. The session was held and the student attended. Absent. The session was held, but the student did not attend because they were absent. Excused. The session was interrupted or canceled due to extenuating circumstances. And then late. Please note an option must be selected for every student in order to mark the attendance log as complete. We can do this in bulk by selecting all students, edit attendance, and then mark present. The student's attendance will be updated. Remove a student from a support. To remove a student from a support, click the student's name, and you'll be taken to the student profile. Click Support on the left side navigation, and in the support panel, click the 3 dots next to the support, and you can select Delete Support Record, and then Delete. Edit Support Details. To edit overall support details from the homepage, you will click Settings at the bottom left side navigation. Click the 3 dots next to your support, and that way you can edit the support details. For questions or help, use the Calendly link in the video's description. Stay connected by following us on social media for exclusive content, the latest news, and updates on student success. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create and manage HIT supports in the portal by New Visions.